His dad is literally walking him to school. And I haven't been stopped crying since. I can't stop crying, okay? Hi guys! Today is Tuesday, so happy vlog week. I'm just starting vlogging now because I have stuff to do. I don't like posting vlogs that are redundant with me doing the same thing over and over again. Wearing glasses and a U part or a V part wig is very complicated because my glasses don't stay on my face. But yes, Milani. But we are at Kai's school. We're getting Kai registered for school. The other schools that we actually wanted Kai to go to, they are on a wait list, and the wait list is too long. So we're getting him into this school for now until he gets a position in one of the other schools. So he's asking me if it's date night, but because of the way I'm dressed, but I want to show up for my child how I want to show up for my child. It's my first child. It's his first time in school, and we are here. So going to go register Kai. I need to pick up some stuff from his doctor's office, but Milani looks like she's about to go to school too. Yay me! Oh my god. And then sorry, but we went to go register Kai. We got that done. And then we went to the library, and yeah.
That boat just went flying. He didn't even hold all of that. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me now. Said the cat with a cup and a cake on my top hat. I can hold 2 books. I can hold up the fish. And I can hold a toy ship. No, you can. Oh.
I like to play with the chain first.
So he was holding the toy.
He was the toy shape right there.
And some milk on a dish.
I'm gonna have to get everything situated with Milani actually going to school also, because it looks like Milani is gonna start going to school too. Anyways, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hi guys, so the last time you guys saw me, we were registering or getting ready to register Kai for school.
And me, I'm ready for school.
And Milani is also getting ready to go to school too.
Me too.
So both of them are going to school. That's crazy. Happy Emancipation Day. Okay, today is Emancipation Day. I'll insert the pictures that I'm gonna post on Instagram for Emancipation Day. Yeah, the girl been prepping the content. Free Vice Cartel. Vice Cartel is free. Okay, Vice Cartel is their road. I'm super happy for him. I'm glad.
And we're at the trampoline park.
And we're also at the trampoline park. This is what they wanted to do today. This is what we're going to do. While they're jumping around in there, I have to register Milani for some schools, and then I have to finish Makhi's paperwork for his school too. I also have to set an appointment for Milani to get a physical. So that's what we're gonna be doing.
And what about I'm gonna get a shot?
Yeah, you are. So I'm convinced the outfits that you guys post on social media, you really don't wear them outside your living room. So this is the first installment of my mom OOTD. The glasses are Lorvay, top is Old Navy, pants is signed by Blake, my bag is Telfar, and my shoes are from Shein. So since baby's not here and the car is not in the garage, I have some organizing to do in the garage. I have Christmas decorations, I have Halloween decorations, I have Easter decorations, I have a lot of decorations. that need to be organized, and they're just thrown in a box in the garage and they need to be organized. So that's what we're gonna do now. So this is what I'm talking about. I have like a lot of decorations and stuff in this box. This is another box, and I recently bought another one. So this stuff needs to be organized. I have a whole bag of decoration. Baby, something gotta give. In here is looking like a hot mess. So
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
So this is how everything looks. This is birthday stuff right here. This is Easter stuff. That again is birthday stuff. Should be over here. So birthday stuff, Easter stuff, Halloween stuff, and then majority of that is Christmas stuff. So what I think I'm going to do is color code. So red stuff in the red bin. That's gonna be Christmas.
The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So I have these clear organizer from Amazon, and I'm gonna put some of my stuff for Halloween in these, like my pumpkins and stuff.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So this is the last of it.
The moonlight, summer sky.
So that is the last of it. I really need to go through the, I really need to, we can't talk. So I really need to go through the birthday stuff. So I didn't really organize those. I'm leaving those for another time because I need another container for birthday stuff and just regular miscellaneous decorating items. So that's next on the agenda. I'm gonna ask babe to get me another one at Walmart, and then that will be that. So I'm gonna go bathe and enjoy the rest of my day. I'll see you later. I'm gonna put y'all here. Not too much on my hair. Not too much. Okay? But Shelly and Shakari stuck out a door. A Paris Olympics. This can't be real. Paris Olympics from the opening ceremony has been a shit show. I'm sorry. It should have never been held in Paris. From the water, the shit water, to the opening ceremony, Cambodia, the power raft. No. No, dear. We can't do this. Right, that's where I put the camera when they start run. So that means that Shelly and Shakari is going to have limited time to warm up and prepare for them semi-finals and finals.
What? What you was live?
No, I'm a video me record.
Oh.
No, sir. Let's put it. This is very high. You know what? NBC put on the video. Yes. I want copyright infringement. Sasha Lee, girl, me hope you make it, but you don't look like her. I'm feel with the one. I want to call one they got sent.
Such a great performer for us. Hopes and expectations.
The girl that was trained with TT Terry and Shakari Jefferson.
This year, qualified briefly with 10.96.
Now go ahead.
Only first time.
Jesus Christ. Heats this?
Semi-final.
TT Terry blazing
And
up.
a TT Terry, I want you, girl, Jefferson.
Jefferson.
She trains with TT Terry and
He look like
Shakari.
TT Terry.
I already knew. Yes, she is. I already knew Sasha Lee.
She got about 19, 20.
Yes. And Alfred, they're on bail. Huh? I don't know.
Well, the see thing that just now on the sports channel, they said Shelly was not allowed in the warm-up era due to rule change. And because she wasn't allowed in the warm-up era, she can't get warm-up to run. So
But I said that. I said when they were outside, she's not going to have enough time to warm up.
Heavily raced.
When it's about to work.
National champ the last couple of years. Julian Alfred and Sherry Richardson, three great racers with only two positions. She said room opens up, a little more elbow room for those two great sprinters in lane 6 and 7.
Alfred and Shakari again.
look, the lane is open.
And the people, she should not in there.
Is to not lose focus, that she's not there. They have each other, they've raced each other a great deal.
Let's see if Alfred can beat Shakari.
So we all know either one of those two is.
Fair start,
All right.
and it is Juju Alfred out quick. Trying to
Check out Mary Cash. Check Alfred. She's out of the fire.
she's not
Yeah. Step off. Step off.
She not even look on her. She got about her business.
Focus.
Yes.
Yeah.
How's it stinking?
Here comes Tia.
close to 11 seconds. It's 11:05 and 11:08 for the non-automatic spots.
How would
Carolina Minnesota, twice a national champion. He's only managed second behind him.
Anita will be her competition and TT third.
Blockbuster final at the end of the season.
Steady your nerves, girl. Come Tia! Come on, Tia! Let's go, Tia! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Yes!
filming a TikTok. Sorry.
Oh, that's nuts, Lulus.
White nail polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back at it, shot.
So the last time you guys saw me, I was getting ready, getting Kai's clothes ready to go to school for his first day. Today is his first day. His dad is literally walking him to school. And I haven't been stopped crying since. I can't stop crying, okay? Milani is sleeping. So when Milani wakes up, she's gonna be shocked and surprised because he's not here. They normally wake up together, run around the house, tear this house up. She won't have that today. So I'm gonna have to find something to do with her. With that being said, I'm not okay. This is Kai's first time ever going to school, not being around his siblings or his parents. And I teach my kid to be super nice and super kind, but especially Kai, I feel like people or other kids will take advantage of him because he's super kind. I mean, I don't want nobody bad be getting pitney, mess up my kid, because I will go to jail. I promise you. I don't care. And if I'm gonna crash out, it's gonna be for my kids. Always and forever. Anyways, I'm gone because I can't keep it together. Talking about it is too much for me. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and call it a day. I'll see y'all later when I try to do something with Milani. Yeah. How was school, Papa?
It was good.
You had fun?
I had fun.
This boy took a shower and has the same shirt on with his name tag. He had a great time. So we're getting ready for bed. And I'm gonna end this vlog here because I feel like I've been vlogging for weeks. With that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.